So thus far we've covered creating notes, searching for notes, adding data to notes, adding linked files to notes, editing metadata of notes. So we have all the ways of creating and adding data and editing the metadata with notes. One of the things I'll just quickly add is, we've been talking about how you can search for notes based on any of the particular metadata fields or any of the kind of criteria. So just as a reminder, if you do Wibble help search, you'll see all of the, at the bottom here, you can search by any of these fields. And we also have a couple of other advanced search fields, which I might cover in a moment. But if we're not entirely sure what field we want to search on, or we just know there's a particular kind of keyword or something, we can be more vague and just tell it to do a full text search. So if we do Wibble search, and this time don't specify any field, so we just do test, you'll get a warning or a kind of information message here saying, no search field specified. So it basically will try all of the so-called descriptive fields, so basically title, description, project, class, or custom. And just a warning that obviously as it matches, it might show the same note more than one time. But you can use this as a kind of lazy way to very quickly find your match if you're not sure what criteria you want to search on, but you do remember off the top of your head that you'd input some particular tag or keyword or something, then you can always use that. So that's a quick way to possibly enter access notes, though obviously once we only have 4 notes here. If we had 4,000 notes, or even 40,000, or possibly 400,000 notes, if we've gone really crazy, then we probably want to be able to, probably would want to search with more specific criteria, because we'd simply get too many matches otherwise. But it's going to be the case, obviously, that there are particular notes that you want to rapid fire access all the time, and so we can basically bookmark them, similar to how you can add bookmarks in your web browser to go straight to common URLs. So you can do the same here. Let's do that. So we have this testing 1, 2, 3 note. So if we just show the metadata for that particular note. So if we do Wibble bookmark add, we need to enter, as it says there, at least 3 digits. Basically, we need to enter whatever is minimally necessary to guarantee 1 unique match, which should be pretty easy, seeing as we only have a few notes here. If I enter 457C, from this note ID here, it then just says, create bookmark for the above note. Let's say yes, adds the bookmark, and now we have them listed here. So having created the bookmark, and we can list the bookmark, obviously the most useful thing is to be able to open the bookmark. So Wibble bookmark open brings up the list, you enter the number 1, and it takes you straight there. An even faster way is if you just type Wibble bookmark and then the number. If you already know the number of the bookmark, you can just do that. So you can imagine if you had 25 bookmarks here and you were frequently using bookmark 22, you just simply type a Wibble bookmark 22 and it would keep opening up that file immediately. So you can use the bookmark facility to rapid fire access frequent kind of notes. Of course, you can easily remove bookmarks as well. So you run it with delete and just enter the number, the one you want to delete, and there we go, successfully removed. So if we now do a list, we should have nothing there. So that is the bookmark facility.